In this video, we will first set up our CRM because we don't have one yet. But if you're already using Keap, ActiveCampaign, or GoHighLevel, or if you're using FluentCRM and it's already set up, then you can skip this video and proceed to the next one. Hi, Danica here, and welcome back to WP Fusion for Absolute Beginners. Now, for this website, we don't have any CRM yet, so we want to set up one. For this video, we're going to use FluentCRM as our CRM. So first thing you need to do is, of course, log into your website. Do note that you don't need to install the CRM in your membership site. It could be in a WordPress site outside your members area, because WP Fusion can still communicate from your membership site, to example, to your main site. I'm gonna have a deeper video tutorials for that in the FluentCRM series videos, but for this one, let's just stick to the basic first and install one so that we can demonstrate and see how WP Fusion works with your CRM. So first is you need to log in as admin to your selected website where you want to install FluentCRM. So I'm gonna add here and add a new plugin, and then I'm gonna search for FluentCRM. So as you can see, there's lots of Fluent plugins. It's from WP Ninja, but what we need is FluentCRM, this one. So install that, and then in my FluentCRM video, I'm also gonna show how you can set up this and even this one. But for this one, let's just focus to FluentCRM for now. So after installing, activate the plugin, and it's now working. So if we go to FluentCRM, it's already in here. So it's gonna ask for onboarding process. So what we can do is we can set this up, or you can go back to this later, prepare your list, prepare your tags, and so on. Now I'm just gonna skip that for now. And I just want you to see that FluentCRM is now set up. So when you visit the dashboard, it's gonna show you some numbers, so active contacts, number of campaigns, email sent, and so on. And then you also have the list here, the tags, recurring campaigns, email sequence, email templates, automations, forms, and so on. Now you could see that some areas are locked and requires you to purchase the Pro. But I think we're gonna just stick to the free version for now. If we ever hit a limitation, I'm gonna install a Pro for this website so that we can continue with the tutorial for how it works with WP Fusion. So now that we have our FluentCRM ready, it should start to work by default. Of course, I suggest you set up the settings and stuff, SMTP. But for this demonstration, I'm just gonna leave it as is. So in the next video, we will install WooCommerce and set up a test product so that we can see how WooCommerce by default looks without WP Fusion. So we're not gonna install WP Fusion yet. We're gonna do that in the next video after that. Again, don't forget that the full course is available for free at hub.custommem.io, and if you'd like help with your setup, you can always visit us at custommem.io. Drop any questions in the comments below. I'll do my best to reply, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.